Hi, in today's video, we'll talk about the easiest methods on how to stick to a budget and save money. Saving money is the most important thing to do in life. It means that you can have more money to enjoy life and do things that you like. Saving money is not easy. You have to work hard, spend less, and be smart about your decisions. But it's worth it because it will help you achieve your goals in life and make your dreams come true. There are many ways to save money, but there are a few that will make a huge difference in your savings account balance. Let's start. Plan your food. You can keep the money-grabbing snacks away from your restaurant by not giving in to drive-through temptations. You can do this by making a list of what you're going to eat each day: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Then make a grocery list and stick to it. Having a meal plan helps you keep your grocery and restaurant budgets in check. Learn how to say no or not now. It doesn't always say no way if you want to buy something. Not today, then it says that. The best way to pay for bigger things is to save up and pay with cash. Even though sometimes you have to say no, that's part of being a grown-up. You can't just rush to get everything you want. It's like not going to social events so you don't use up your energy and time. This is the same thing that happens if you say no to spending at times. You don't spend, which means that you won't hurt your bank account or your future. Don't worry about what other people on social media seem to have, because it doesn't mean that they have it. Some of them are telling the truth. Some of them are in debt because they can't pay for their designer sunglasses. Some people have their lives together, that's true, but they worked hard for it. That's what you're going to do too. The most important thing you can do for your budget is to fight for it. When you need to say no or not now, do it. Being true to yourself and your budget is more important than anything you can buy. When the money comes, put it in. When you get paid, get a birthday check, or get any money at all, you should put it in your budget. Before and not too soon after. As a bonus, this makes paydays even more magical. It also helps you to only budget the money you have. Before you spend money, check your budget. What do you want? Well, how much clothes do you have? $90? A t-shirt will come with that. Make sure you have enough money before going to the grocery store. Check your budget before going to the coffee shop. You get the gist. I think it's a good idea to look at your overall budget every day. Anchoring this new habit to an existing one is a good way to get it into your life. During the morning, some people do it while they drink their coffee. Before going to bed, some people do it. Make a note of how much you spend each day. We all spend money on things like groceries, gas, and going out to eat every day. At the point of sale, it's best to record these transactions right away so that you don't forget. Reconcile often. You do this when you check to see if your budget is the same as your bank account and credit cards. If the account balances aren't right, there's no way the budget is going to be right. Then, check the budget to see if you've overspent. It's the last thing you need to do on the habits. Start with the accounts, then work your way down to the budget. Give yourself the okay to change the budget. Budgeting is the process of putting things first and then putting them back. Set it and forget it isn't a long-term plan. You'll move money from one account to another to pay for overspending. So, if you need to change your budget, your categories, or your goals, do so. You can also change them if you just want to do so. As you start budgeting, you might not know what your top priorities are yet, so you might need to figure that out. Think about what you want to do before making changes to your budget. The more you do it, the better you will get at it. Getting it right the first time isn't nearly as important as learning to tweak and improve. They are simple, but we didn't say that they would be easy to follow. Take it one step at a time, build on habits you already have, and do everything you can to keep your budget in mind when you're living your life. Soon you'll be able to save money and manage your money with ease. Remember that every penny you spend is important. That's why you should always be on the lookout for ways to save money and spend less. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions or opinions, let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you next time.